right, ladies and gentlemen, right now we're sitting at 3631 East 78th Street. Just for reference, we're on the right near the intersection of Edna and East 78th. Fleet is a little bit over here. So this house caught on fire October 6th. I don't know if it was arson or not. There's no indications of any arson or signage or anything. There's also no indication of anything from building and housing or any condemned documentation, which is rather weird. The house is also sitting wide open, as you can see, and it's not quite been 3 weeks, but we want to get on top of this as soon as possible because there seems to be some disconnect between the fire department and building and housing, especially on the east side when it comes to getting houses like this taken care of. So we're going to begin the process now rather than letting it sit here to be a danger to the community. So I'm here documenting it here today with drones. The property, doing some quick research, is owned by a Sugar Bowl Properties LLC. I haven't really researched where they are, but there's been a lot of property movement since 2018, going back for the state of Ohio forfeiture, and then there's been a lot of weird transfers, not quick deeds necessarily. The last time it sold for $45,000. Taxes are up to date, which is unusual. So as you can see, there's a lot of roof damage right there. We're going to get the drone up in a minute just to kind of get a look at. I think there's a little bit of wind, but I think we'll be fine with the bigger drone. I just want to get some up shots and some surrounding shots, and then we're going to get the FPV drone inside just to kind of get a look at the damage. All right, without any further ado, we're going to cut to that footage next. We'll cut to that right now.